The Samsung Galaxy A54 and A34 are going to be the next mid-range category devices coming from Samsung. Both of these devices has been in a rumor mill for quite some time, which pretty much give us an idea what the device is going to be packing inside. Today we have got some official render images that has been leaked by two different sources, which pretty much confirms the design of the upcoming A34 and A54 devices. Now, to be honest, both of these devices will be having a single camera bump on the back side, which is going to be in line with the S23 series, which are coming with the same individual camera sensor on the back side. We also have some new color option for both the A34 and A54. Like the lime color is going to be the new and unique color coming for both the A34 and A54. Whereas the other color option will be graphite, violet and silver color option. Now another thing that is going to be mentioning here that both of these devices will be having different kind of a display. Like A34 is coming with a U-shaped notch, whereas the A54 is going to be packing a punch hole camera cutout, just their predecessor. Now looking at this display, you will notice that like the bezels on the A34 are going to be pretty much slimmer on both the sides, and even the bottom bezel is going to be even slimmer than its predecessor. But if you look at the renders for the A54, and their bezels are going to be pretty much thicker, which is kind of disappointing because I was really expecting to have a smaller bezels for the A54 because the A53 was one of the best selling smartphone available. And moving forward, the A34 and A54 specification has been leaked, in which both of these devices will be having a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus resolution, but the difference in here is that the 90Hz is coming for the A34 and 120Hz for the A54 devices. Both of these devices will be having a different processor. Like A54 will be having with the latest Exynos 1380 processor is coming, where the A34 is going to be coming with a Dimensity T1080 processor. Both of these processors are going to be much powerful, so definitely there is going to be a bunch of competition between both of them. And as far as the camera sensor is concerned, both are coming with the same old camera sensor, no difference in here. Both are having the same battery capacity as well, but the RAM option is going to be upgraded in the A34. Instead of having 4 gigabytes of RAM, we now had 6 and 8 gigabyte of RAM option, which is pretty nice. And guys, both of these devices are packing some certification from different sources, so definitely the launch of these devices could be nearer. And guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about both of them? Are you excited about them? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.